All right, Wildcats, welcome to the Media Center. For the first part of the year, you're not going to be coming into the Media Center to check out physical copies of the book. So we're going to be providing you with some sources and some options for checking out books in alternate ways. The first way is through Sora. So if you come over here onto Clever, you're going to have to scroll down a little bit. I probably have a few more icons than you do. But you come down here till you see the little blue guy that looks a little bit like Kirby. Sora by Overdrive. So you click on this. It's going to take you in here. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do when you select your school is think of Walnut or maybe Grand Island Public Schools. It's not Grand Island Public Schools. It is not Walnut. So we are ESU 10, and you can know it's like thing it's got the parentheses around it for the district. ESU 10. That's the one that we are a part of. So gotta remember that ESU 10. And then when you click here, it's going to ask you to put in your email and your password. This is the same one that you're going to use for your Chromebook. So it'll be your short name plus the @gips.org and then your password. I've already logged in, so it's going to take me right there. But you're going to have to put in your email address and password. If it doesn't work for you, go back and check your email and see if you've mistakenly put @gmail instead of @gips.org. But when you get in here, this is going to be you're going to be used to this format. There's going to be a number of different things that you can search for. You've got the search tool right up here to look for any sort of books that you want to. You can check them out and then you can read them directly from your Chromebook. Notice though, we've got these ones with the little headphone icons. These are audiobooks. So if you enjoy listening to your books instead of looking at the words, you can choose those. We have a bunch of ebooks, but you just find a book. Here's some new ebook editions. They have some popular books down here. So you find one of those books that you're interested in checking out. And if I was interested in this book here, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, which I would very much recommend. If you come here and click on this borrow button, I have now checked out this book. So then as I go through and I read this book, right, I can just click on it and it'll take me into the book. Mr. and Mrs. Dursley of number 4 Private Drive were proud to say they were perfectly normal. Thank you very much. Right. And you can just read through the book. It will keep where you're at. So as you stop reading, you close it out, you come back in. It will keep track of the page that you're on. But you can go through there. You can check out books. Some of these books are going to have already been checked out. You can put holds on a book. So as I come over here to my shelf, right, it shows me the books that I have checked out. If I had any holds, it would show me which ones and maybe which place in line I was. But all of these are there for you to go in and check out books from Sora. I hope you go and find an amazing book that's just for you here on Sora. Enjoy your reading, Wildcats.